This is our lesson number 17 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. Here, we need to discuss Chrysoberyl family. Chrysoberyl family includes lot of stones, but especially Alexandrite and Rare Vanadium Chrysoberyl also we are discussing here. In this picture here, this is vanadium, Rare Vanadium Chrysoberyl. This is Alexandrite. The color is bluish green in daylight. This is the color under incandescent light or yellow light. The color is purplish red, not the brown, no, red. Purplish red. The meaning is the strawberry red, raspberry red, not strawberry. Raspberry red is the color. Raspberry red is this color. Purplish red. This is the real color change. Bluish green to purplish red. That is real Alexandrite. Okay, we are discussing later, but I explain with this picture. We are learning here under this Chrysoberyl family. We are learning, we are finding, we are getting practical vision, rough Chrysoberyl stones, Chrysoberyl cat size, Alexandrite cat size, cut and polish Chrysoberyls, rare mint green vanadium Chrysoberyl, Alex color change, and Alex gem certificate. We are discussing this here. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive the notifications when I upload it, and give like and share. We are moving to the lesson. Now here, this is Chrysoberyl family. Chrysoberyl varieties are here. This is Alexandrite. Look at this color change. Alex, greenish blue, bluish green, sorry, bluish green, and raspberry red. Raspberry red means purplish red. This is the color change. If some stone has this color change, we can take it as 100% change. Now here, Alexandrite cat size. Color change is there, but this is not this color. It is called Carter. Carter, it is brown. It is not, it is actually, this is color changing Chrysoberyl. This is the color of Chrysoberyl gemstone. And this is the gemstone. This is cat's eye. Cat's eye effect is there. You know the cat's eye effect. Cymophane cat's eye with a sharp and centered eye. Cymophane comes from Greek words meaning wave and appearance. This variety includes microscopic tube-like or needle-like inclusions or rutile occurring in parallel. That's why this ray is becoming. We learn it in lesson 2. This effect called chatoyancy displayed very well with cabochon cut. So if it is displayed chatoyancy, we are cutting it as cabochons. Look at this. Some cabochons are here. Some rough stones also here. These are the Chrysoberyl rough stones. Can you identify? You need this experience, watching experience, to identify the Chrysoberyl. Now look at here. Cut and polish Chrysoberyl, rough Chrysoberyl. Another rough Chrysoberyl here. Look at the skin, outer skin, and the shape of the body. This also rough crystal. Look at the shape of the body. And Chrysoberyl cat's eye here. And Chrysoberyl faceted one, cabochon one. This is cut and polish Chrysoberyl. What is this here? Chrysoberyl complete crystal 6 links can be found only one among millions of crystals. An interesting feature of its crystals are the cyclic twins called trilling. There are three mixed together as one crystal. Then look at this. Rough crystals, rough chrysoberyls. Look at the color and the shape individually. Then in next one, this is honey color, brown, grayish green cat's eye, grayish green, yellowish brown, yellowish green. These are the colors. You can see all colors in chrysoberyls. Now, here, it is very special stone. This is the color. You can see this color as mint color. You know the mint, M-I-N-T, mint. Mint color. Mint color is this. Mint color variety is very, very rare. This color gives because of vanadium element. Vanadium is responsible for the mint green color. Tanzanite is another vanadium stone. We are learning it in lesson number 43, 44, and 45. Under the zoisite family, we are learning tanzanite. And remember, tanzanite and vanadium chrysoberyls are the stones containing vanadium. Remember that. So, vanadium chrysoberyl rough, it is here in the black background. This is also vanadium color is there. This is the superb color. Vanadium chrysoberyl is a very rare and sought after collector's item gemstone. It is a collector's item. It is a variety of chrysoberyl colored by the element vanadium and found in Tanzania. This gemstone is found as a lovely mint green or bluish green color. It is very important thing. Remember this vanadium. Vanadium, if you, in Sri Lanka also we have vanadium chrysoberyls. You better understand with this practical, this is the color you have to remind. You can't see this in another gemology course. You have to watch the colors. That's why this is practical. This is practical lesson. You need to practice your eye with this color. Then you can find out what is vanadium chrysoberyl. Then if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon and give like and share to our channel. Now look at here. These are the Alexandrites. Look at the shapes, body shape, and the skin of the stone. Under the natural light, this is the color, bluish green. In artificial light or candle light, it will change to the raspberry red, not the red, raspberry red. Raspberry red means purplish red. Remember this. This is normal light. This is under the yellow light. Look at the change. In artificial light and the candle light, look at the change. Under UV light, this color gives because of chromium. Chromium grows red color. I saw in Facebook some are showing this. This is chromium test only. This is not the color change. This is the color change. These are the color changes. So remember, color change must be bluish green to raspberry red. That is 100% change. In Sri Lanka, we can find yellowish green to brown. That is not Alexandrite. If we check it with GIA, they will give color changing chrysoberyl. To sell as Alexandrite, we need more than 80% color change. Remember that. It must be raspberry red, the changing light. You know, when we learn number 14th lesson, 60% of the value of the stone gives for the color. And another 15% gives for the location. That means country. For example, if we buy a gemstone from Sri Lanka, that 15%, location 15% will not add to the stone. 60% will add for the cut. If that Alexandrite is from Brazil or Russia, the locations 15% will add to the price. In Sri Lanka, James does not add. So location gives another 15% of the value to the stone in Brazil stones. In Sri Lanka stones, we will get only the 60% of the color to the color and the others. That 15% will not add. So remember, when you are buying Alexandrites, remember to check the color change without UV light. This is under the UV light. We don't need UV light picture to see because UV light converts chromium to red color. You know it very well with the rubies also. So remember that is Alexandrite. Now this is periodic table of elements you learn in O-level science, but I know you are forgot. You forgot. But remember, this is called periodic table. Look at the beryllium. And beryllium, chromium, it is from here. Beryllium, chromium, this is chromium. Aluminium from this place. Oxygen from there. So Alexandrite means beryllium aluminium oxide. The chemical formula is BeAl2O4 with chromium. Chromium is the reason for color change. In Alexandrite, chromium is the reason for color change, but remember, this is chromium, but color change gives like this color. This is not the color change. It is chromium color. So remember, chromium is the reason for color change. This is not the color changing photo. This is color changing photo. See. Now, Alexandrite means beryllium aluminate with chromium, little bit chromium. This chromium is responsible for the color change of the Alexandrite. The color change in percentage depends on the amount of chromium. Now we are moving to next. Look at the Alexandrite color change. Now you can understand, practically you can understand, practice your eye. This is the raspberry red. That is purplish red. Can you identify? This is the purplish red, raspberry red. This is under the natural light. It is given bluish green, not olive green. But in Sri Lanka stones, we can't find this color easily. In Sri Lanka, our stones are little bit olive green color, but change in the color change, giving the color change very well. So to get more than 80% color change is there, color must be changed to purplish red. That is raspberry red. Remember that. If it is brown, that means kahata. We can't sell it. That's why the Alexandrite is a rare stone. In world top 10, inside the world top 10, Alexandrite is number 5 or 6. But we can see the face inside the Facebook, we can find hundreds of thousands of Alexandrites. But all are color changing chrysoberyls. Remember how to choose this color change. Color change is the main thing. Remember it. Now look at this. Rough Alexandrite. Look at the rough Alexandrite color change. Here it is under UV light. This is actual change. This is under UV light. This is the stone. It came from Russia. With the UV light, it is this. Now you can understand. This is the practical you have to use. You have to train your eye with these practicals. You have to watch this. You have to remember these colors. You can't get this through through another class. They can't show the stones because the stones are very valuable stones. They can't say, they can tell on the word, but I can show you with practical. This is the practical. practical knowledge. Okay, now I think you can understand what is the color change. And color change should be more than 80% there if it is an Alexandrite. If you forgot to subscribe, please subscribe. Now look at here. In artificial light or candle light, this is the raspberry red color. This is the natural light color. It is bluish green. And this is raspberry red. This is the 100% color change of the Alexandrite. Now you can understand. In natural light, Alexandrite cat's eye is this. This is the change under the candlelight. This change is not 100%, but purplish red is there little bit. See the change. See the change. It is brown. It is brown. Change is weak change. This is under natural light, under the candlelight. See the difference. See the real Alexandrite is this, but this also Alexandrite cat's eye. This also Alex cat's eye. The color change is very low, so can't get the good price. If the change is low, we can't get the price. See, Alexandrite rough is here with mother stone. Alexandrite rough with the mother stone in daylight under the candle sunlight. Can you see? Can you identify this color little bit dark green? Here with the candle sunlight, it is giving raspberry red. Can you see? Try to understand the color. This is the practical. Okay? Right. Now, we are discussing regarding the certificate. In yellow light, this is the picture. This photo shows the color change. Natural light color and the yellow light color. It is given natural Alexandrite Chrysoberyl. This is the certificate. Certificate gives with the changing 2 photos. Always includes 2 photos inside the Alex certificate. One is under the natural light. The other one is under the incandescent light. So it is mentioned here. Now look at this. These are Sri Lanka Alexandrites. This is the change. You can see it here. Color change is not good. See, under the yellow light, the change is given light brownish color. See, this is little bit raspberry red. So remember this very well. To do this, you can't get this through the physical class. You have to see this with your eyes. But these stones are very expensive. So nobody can, no teacher can show you. But in my lessons, I am showing millions of billions of dollars valued stones. So you can identify. You have to watch them well. Now we are moving to next lesson, lesson 18. In that section, we will learn more about that. Join us and learn, embrace your future. Subscribe and press the bell icon and give like and share. Okay, we will meet in lesson 19 next.